Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy at home. Okay children, so in our last classes we have learned so many things, right? Are you practicing at home all these things? You should practice at home all we have learned in our earlier classes. Okay, so today I am going to introduce a new topic to you. Before that, we have to revise our alphabets. We have to recall all the alphabets which we have learned in our earlier classes. Okay? After that, we will see our today's topic. So, have a look. First, we will write our school name. That is Sai Vikas Vidya Niketan. Okay? Do you know your school name? Our school name is Sai Vikas Vidya Niketan. Okay, this is our school name. Sai Vikas Vidya Niketan. And our subject is English. Our subject is English. I am your English teacher, Momita Miss. Okay. So, now we will recall all the alphabets. That is A to Z. We will recall first. So, say with me children loudly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are the 26 alphabet in our English language. So, okay. So, children, say with me loudly. Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, understood? Now you are able to read and write all the alphabets in this A, B, C, D to Z. Okay. Because today we are going to see a new topic. For that, make sure that you have know all the letters. You are understand. You are capable to read all the letters. Okay. So our today's topic is what comes after. Okay. What comes after? What comes after? So I will write some letters, okay, and we'll put a dash. After that, we have to see what letter comes after this letter. Like this way. Okay, this way we have to do the better what comes after. Here we have letter A and this is a dash. This means you have to put that letter which comes after A. Okay. Now we all know that all the letters, so we can easily recognize, we can easily say what comes after A, what letter comes after A, after A, after what comes after B, after A, what comes, which letter comes, B, okay, A, then B, means letter B comes after letter, which letter? Yes, very good. Which letter? A. Letter B comes after A. A, then B. So, B is the next letter. It is comes after A. Okay, understood? Similarly, this is letter C. This is capital C. So, after C, what letter will be here? What letter we have to put here? After C, what letter comes? A, B, C, then D. Yes, very good. We have to put letter D because D is the letter which comes after C. A, B, C, D. Similarly, we have letter in the last E. This is capital E. So, what letter comes after E? Say with me, all the letters, recall all the letters. A, B, C, D, E, then F. Yes, we got the letter. So, F is the letter which comes after E. Right? Understood? How to write this concept? This concept is clear to you? You practice at home so that easily recognize the letters. Okay, you have to practice more at home. Again I mention A, then what letter comes after A? Yes, B. A, B, then C. What letter comes after C? Yes, D. Okay? Then this is letter E. What letter comes after E? A, B, C, D, E, F. We got the letter. That is the letter which comes after E. Okay? So once again, this means what? This is a dash and this means you have to put that letter which comes after F. So, what letter comes after F? Think. What letter comes after F? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes, we got the letter. Letter G comes after F. Okay? F, G. Then we got the letter. Here we have letter H. Right? So, after H, what letter comes? Recall letters. Recall all the letters from A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Yes. Here we have to put letter I, which comes after letter H. I is a letter which comes after H. Now we have letter J. So after J, what we have to put here in this dash? What letter we have to put? Yes, for that you have to recall all the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Yes, very good. K. You have to put letter K. K is the letter which comes after J. Understood? In this way, you have to put all the letters. That is what comes after. After you revise this topic, this concept, You understood this concept? What comes after? Okay. After this concept, we will see a new concept. That is what comes before. First, we will do what comes after this concept. When it is clear to you, after that we will go another topic, another new concept. Okay. So, you practice it properly. We will send you worksheet. You practice at home. Okay. And in our next class, we will see another new thing, another new concept. Till then, bye-bye and take care.
Is the concept for the cognitive development of your child. Cognitive development is very necessary for your child. Cognitive means it's a type of brain development. We are going to start now. What comes after? After means what comes after A. We are going to learn like this. What comes after A? This is A, B, C, D, E. This is the total alphabets. What comes after A? What comes after A? B. We should draw here B. Now, what comes after D? Here is D. What comes after D? What is this? E. We should draw here E. Now this is G. Where is G here? Here. What comes after G? What is this? This is H. We have to draw here H. Now this is I. Where is I here? Here. Then what comes after I? What is this? J. We have to draw J here. Now what comes after L? Here is L. What comes after L? What is this? M. This is M. What comes after P? Where is P? Here. What is this? Q. Then what comes after P? Q. We should draw here Q. Now this is R. Here is R. Then what comes after R? What is this? S. We have to draw here S. Now this is U. Here is U. What comes after U? V. We have to draw here V. Now this is O. Where is O here? Here. What comes after O? P. We have to draw here P. This is Q. Here is Q. What comes after Q? R. We have to draw here R. Now this is V. Where is V? Here. What comes after V? W. We have to draw here W. Now this is Y. Where is Y? Here. What comes after Y? Z. We have to draw here Z. Now what is this? R. Where is R? Here. What comes after R? S. Here is S. Now this is H. Where is H? Here. What comes after H? I. Here is I. Now this is C. Where is C? Here. What comes after C? It's D. We have to draw here D. Now M. Where is M? Here. What comes after M? N. We should draw here N. Now last one. What is this? T. Where is T? Here. What comes after T? U. We have to draw here U.